Hi guys, today we're going to deal with tree diagrams and talk about probability a little bit. So first of all, when I talk about a tree diagram, it's a visual display that uses branches to find the number of total possible outcomes or choices. So you'll notice that they've kind of got a pair of coins here. So you can see when you flip a coin, you either get heads or you get tails. You get one or the other. So if I flip it once, I either get heads or tails. No matter what I get the first time, if I flip it again, I'm either going to get heads or I'm going to get tails. So if I go here, I'm going to have flipped heads and then I flip heads again. If I'm going here to here, I'm going to flip heads and then I'm going to flip tails. Now down here, if I flip tails, I can either flip heads or tails. So heads and then tails, or excuse me, tails and then heads, and then tails and tails. So you can just see it's a way to count kind of the way that you have possibilities. So if I'm tossing a coin twice, I have 4 possible outcomes that could happen. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let me give you another example so you can see how this works. So let's say that you're talking about, oh, I've got to get dressed for work. So if I'm getting dressed or getting dressed to go to school, there's a possibility that this student has 2 different shirts that they can put on. And they have a possibility of having shorts or pants, or a blue running shoe, and a black or brown running shoe. So if you look at the choices, if I go here, whether you get this shirt or this shirt, I still have shorts or pants that can possibly happen. Regardless of whether I have shorts or pants, I can either have a blue running shoe or I can have a brown shoe that's here. So if I look, they could have a blue shirt with shorts with a running shoe, or a blue shirt with shorts with a brown shoe, a blue shirt with pants that has a running shoe, a blue shirt with pants that has the brown dress shoe. If I get on here, if I have the heart shirt, I can have shorts or pants. So heart shirt, shorts, the running shoe, heart shirt, shorts, and the brown dress shoe here. Heart shirt, pants, running shoe, heart shirt, pants, and then the brown dress shoe. So if I were to count these up, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 possible outcomes of what they could wear. So really what a tree diagram is just a way for us to be able to organize visually our choices. So let's take a look at a problem so you can see how this works. So we're going to draw a tree diagram for each of these problems. So you go to the snack bar and you buy either a bagel and a drink for lunch. You can choose from a plain bagel, blueberry, or raisin. And your choices from drink are water or a sports drink. So how many different lunches can be made from these choices? So from the bagel, you have a chance of having a plain bagel, blueberry bagel, or a raisin bagel. And then each of these, so you basically have these 3 choices that can happen for your bagel. And then for the drinks, you either have a water or a sports drink. And that's true for each one of these. So water or a sports drink. Okay, and one more time. Water, and a sports drink. Okay, so if I go back and look at this, if I start here, I can have a plain bagel with water or a plain bagel with a sports drink. I can have a blueberry bagel with water or a blueberry bagel with a sports drink, a raisin bagel with water, or a raisin bagel with sports drink. So that means if I look down, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 possible lunch choices. Okay, we'll come back to this with the next part of probability.